I'm Terry, and today we're going to be making some creamy artichoke spinach dip that's dairy-free, oil-free, and gluten-free. This is sure to be a hit with your family and with your friends, and if you want to take it to a party, it'll be a nice little addition. We're going to start off today by adding 3/4 cup raw cashews into the blender. These are not soaked. Then we're going to add 3/4 cup almond milk. You can also use soy milk if that's your preference. I happen to be an almond milk kind of girl. Then we're going to add the juice from one freshly squeezed lemon, about a medium sized. This is 3/4 teaspoon of sea salt we're going to add in there. 2 medium garlic cloves. If you like garlic a lot, you could add an extra one or use large garlic cloves. And this is a 1/2 teaspoon of ground mustard. And to top it off, we are going to put a little fresh ground pepper in here just for taste. That should do that. We're going to blend this for just a minute, long enough to get it creamy. And then we're going to add 2 cups of spinach. Today I'm using frozen, thawed, and drained spinach, but you could just as easily use fresh spinach if you would like. And the last ingredient is a can of artichoke hearts that's been drained. Now once these are added to the blender, we are going to just pulse them for a minute because we want to keep that chunky texture for our dip. Let's see. With this, it looks like we need to add just a little more almond milk, which is completely fine for the blender to be able to mix it a little smoother. And that should just about do it. At this point, you can put this into a baking dish if you like it warm and bubbly, and bake it at 350 for about 15 minutes should do the trick. My family actually likes this at room temperature. So I'm going to go ahead and put it in the bowl. As you can see, it's still very chunky. That's going to be terrific on some crackers, or if you're like us, we like a healthy option with our chips. So we take whole wheat tortilla chips or whole spelt tortilla rolls and take a pizza cutter. We cut it into 8 slices, which is very simple to do. And then place them on a baking sheet. Just arrange them on a baking sheet. Separated, and place them in the oven at 350 for about 7 minutes. You're going to want to keep them in there until they just get crispy. You'll see the edges of them curling up, and it'll bring out that sweet wheat flavor to them. And let's give it a try. Let's see what we got. Absolutely delicious. It's so good, I can't believe it's actually good for you. I hope that your family is going to enjoy this recipe as much as mine does. Thank you.